Hey guys, Kevin Swaney here, Tin Indian Performance. Got a couple of questions here regarding base circle of the camshaft. This will get you pretty close, fellas. I'm using vernier calipers. Obviously, you want to be a little bit more accurate. You can use a micrometer. So the bottom line is, if you take your measurement here, where the peak of it's on the side of the peak of the lobe, that should be the base circle of that lobe. One thing you want to be careful of here when you're doing this is make sure what you're measuring. The first two lobes are going to be exhaust lobes. The next two are going to be intake lobes. So when you're doing this, make sure you're either on an exhaust or on an intake. This is just for display purposes here. So this caliper is set up to actually measure the base circle of the cam. When we measure that on the exhaust lobe over here, we get 1.164. Okay, so that's what that measurement is. So another way to do this, which just kind of confirms your number, if you take the entire lobe measurement, which that's this caliper, that measurement on this camshaft is about 1.527. This 366 number that we have here comes off your cam card. A lot of times, guys, lobe lift is not the same on intake and exhaust, so you just want to be a little careful there. But if we take that total lobe, subtract the lobe lift on the cam card, that should also be the base circle of the cam. And as you can see, using these measurement tools, we're within about 0.003. So for what we're doing here, to show you this, this gives you a pretty good ballpark measurement. For some reason, some guys are chasing this measurement. I'm assuming it's because of the hydraulic roller lifter band. More on that later in the next video that we're going to do. But this right here, fellas, will get you your base circle measurement, which honestly, in my mind, is a little immaterial. It actually matters what the lifter is doing in the lifter bore. So again, more on that later. But there you have it, fellas. So thanks for watching. See you next time.